In this video, we'll show you how to retrieve deleted photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you are using the gallery app and if you have deleted the photo recently, you can tap this menu icon and then tap on this trash option to see all the recently deleted photos. Now from here you can simply open the photo and then tap on this restore option to retrieve it. If there are multiple photos, you can also select them like this and then tap on this restore option at the bottom. Now if you don't find your deleted photos in the trash folder, what you can do is go to the gallery settings menu. Now here tap on sync with OneDrive. Now here scroll down and then tap on this synced items. Now here you will see all the photos that are backed up to your OneDrive account. So try finding your photo here. You can also go to this OneDrive recycle bin to see the deleted photos there. If you find the photo that you want to restore, you can then restore it from here as well. Now if you use Google Photos as your gallery app, you can go to this collection tab right here and then tap on this trash folder. Now simply find the image that you want to restore and then tap on this restore option. Once you do, the image will be recovered. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.